Elevate the Stage was really created to celebrate International Day of People with Disability. ICC Sydney has been pivotal to us actually going ahead or not. We had a limited amount of time and we wouldn't be where we are without the expertise of ICC Sydney.
I'm very excited about this event because it honors the United Nations International Day of People with Disabilities. Our team have been with the organizers, working behind the scenes, providing support, advice, expertise, from choosing the space to production to volunteering on the day.
There are so many elements that we had to consider for this event. It's about understanding how people learn, interact, making sure that we're covering every single base. Some of the key things we've had to think about are railing for our stage, how our performers who have wheelchairs will be able to access the stage, making it accessible. We already have the infrastructure for hearing loops in all our spaces. For this particular event, we had to adjust a little to allow for Auslan interpretation as well as captioning and also the audio description. So it's been great to work through those elements with my team and with Elevate the Stage.
Right from our very first day of operation here at ICC Sydney, we wanted to ensure that we were a place where everyone that came through our doors found it a place of safety, comfort, enjoyment and respect. We're on a constant quest for learning and understanding, and being able to host and support this wonderful Elevate the Stage event is just another step in that journey of understanding for us as well. So we're delighted to be able to help host this event and to bring this great range of great Australian artists into ICC Sydney.
I think it's great that we're elevating the activities of people with disability, and this gives us a chance to celebrate.
It's a great show. I've never seen so many people with disabilities in the same room celebrating. It's really good. There have been some fantastic performances, and everyone who's performed here tonight is just really amazing in their field.
I knew it was going to be good, but I wasn't expecting it to be that good.